Hey guys, welcome back to my video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple CCTV surveillance system in Unity. This can be super useful for games like horror games or any project where you want a working in-game camera feed. So, let's get started. First, you'll need two 3D models, a camera and a computer, or laptop. You can find a laptop model in the Unity Asset Store. As for the camera, I actually made mine using Tripo AI. I uploaded a photo of a real camera, and it generated a 3D model for me. Then I just exported and imported it into Unity. Alright, now that we have both models, let's start building the system. Go to Game Object, Camera, and place the camera right where the camera sensor of your 3D model would be. Make sure it's facing forward, and you can adjust its field of view to match your needs. Next, go to Game Object, 3D Object, Quad. This quad will act as the screen of your laptop or computer. Before we continue, create a new folder in your project and name it Texture Renderers or something similar. This folder will store the render texture, basically the live feed that your camera will send. Inside that folder, right-click, Create, Rendering, Render Texture. This render texture will act as the display for your live video. Now drag and drop this render texture onto the quad's material. You'll notice the quad turns blank. That's good. It's ready to display the live camera feed. Select your actual Unity camera, not the camera model, and in the target texture field, drag in the render texture you just created. Boom! Now your camera is sending live footage to that quad. Carefully position the quad exactly where your laptop or monitor screen is. It might take a bit of patience to align it perfectly, but the result will look awesome. Awesome. Rename the quad to Screen and make it a child object of the laptop or computer model. Once that's done, you can adjust the camera's field of view or angle to fit your scene better. If your camera model has moving parts or a gimbal, you can make the Unity camera a child of that part, so it rotates or tilts with the model later using scripts. Finally, for better screen clarity, select the quad's material and change its shader to Unlit Texture. This removes unwanted lighting effects and makes the live video brighter and clearer. And that's it. You've just made a working CCTV surveillance system in Unity. Now you can place your camera anywhere in your scene and see the live feed displayed right on your laptop or monitor. This simple technique can add a lot of realism to your game environments, especially for horror or security-style games. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Unity tutorials.